Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So in this video we are going to do daily technical analysis in gold US dollar currency pairs for Monday, October 3rd. So when we look at the economical events planned for Monday, we have bank holiday for Australian dollar and Chinese bank holiday and German bank holiday. At 12 PM we have high impact news planned for Swiss franc. At 7:30 PM we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us look at the gold analysis. So today we are going to be doing the analysis from monthly time frame to lower time frame so that we will be able to understand the overall price action from the higher time frame. So I am in monthly time frame now. So from the level of 1189 we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish trend, and we have also noticed a price action to retest at this resistance level of 2071. Then we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So it has made a double top pattern. So if the bearish trend continues, we had noticed a little bit of consolidation or resistance level over here. So we can expect the price action to take support at this support level, and if the bearish trend is still stronger, we can expect it to retest at this resistance level, which is going to be around 1342. So from the past price action, this level of 1453 is going to be the first level of support, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side in monthly time frame. So I have marked the support levels using the Fibonacci tools. So currently the price action has broken the long-term support of 1680 and it is on a bearish trend for now in monthly time frame. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1573. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, from this level we have noticed a price action to be trending on a bullish trend. Previously the price action has tested this support line and continued its bullish trend, and currently the price action is in a bearish trend, and we can expect this level 1573 to be acting as a strong support for the current price action in monthly time frame. Let us look at the price action in weekly time frame. So I am in weekly time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame, it is clearly in a very strong bearish trend. It has already broken the strong support level of 1680. Currently we are noticing it to form a green color candle. So only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1680, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in weekly time frame. Otherwise we can expect the price action to continue its bearish trend in weekly time frame, and next level of support is going to be around 1573 from the monthly time frame for now. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame also, we are noticing it to trend on a very strong bearish trend. Previously it tried to make a bullish side retracement, but we can notice that it has formed a doji candlesticks, which means that bullish trend has become weaker. And we already know that from the past price action that this level of 1680 is a very strong resistance level. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement in daily time frame. We also have here daily time frame bearish channel pattern resistance line running over here. So even if the price tries to break this resistance level, we have next level of resistance where we can expect the price action to bounce back on a bearish side trend reversal. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action in daily time frame is on a bullish side retracement, and we have a very strong resistance zone between 1680 to 1690. Only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1704, 1727 and 1756. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level, next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1647, 1604 and 1574. We also have a trend line or support line from the monthly time frame running over here, the black color line. And still the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend. It has made its bullish side retracement to gather enough momentum to continue its bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame, here also we are noticing the price action to trend on a bearish trend, and every time it tests this trend line or the support line, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Currently also the price action has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. We can expect it to take resistance at the daily time frame resistance level between 1690 to 1680, then to bounce back on the bearish side trend. And next level of support on the bearish side is going to be around 1604 from the daily time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level between 1690 to 1680, we can expect it to test the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, from here we have noticed a price action to trend on a bearish trend, and we have also noticed a price action to form a double bottom pattern, and it bounced back on the bullish side retracement. So currently it has made its retracement to the level where it started its bearish trend. So if the bearish side retracement starts, we can expect it to take support on the daily time frame support level of 1647, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to take support on the next level of support from the daily time frame, which is going to be around 1604. So before that, I would recommend you to draw a resistance line and a support line, and as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, you can take trades on the bullish side. But remember that the current trend of the price action on the higher time frame is on a bearish trend. So wait for the price action to break this support line or the trend line to take trades on the bearish side trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action has bounced back from the resistance line from the bullish channel pattern, and it is on a bearish side retracement. So wait for the price action to break this support level of 1646, based on which you can continue trading on a bearish side trend. Next level of support is going to be around 1637, 1624 and 1604. And if the bullish side bounce back happens, next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1671, 1680 and 1690. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, the candlesticks had formed a double top pattern, and it is on a bearish side retracement. The first level of support is going to be the bullish channel pattern support line from the hourly time frame, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to test the higher time frame support level of 1647. And only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to further continue its bearish side trend. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, it will be a bullish side trend in 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bearish side retracement within this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame. So if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1654, 1647, 1639, 1629, 1616. And if the price action bounces back from this bullish channel pattern support line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1663, 1677, 1680 from the daily time frame, and 1686 and 1690 from the daily time frame. The area between 1690 to 1680 is a very strong resistance level from the higher time frame. So if you want to take trades on the bearish side, wait for the price action to break this higher time frame support level of 1647, based on which you can take trades on the bearish side trend. Let us do the analysis in 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also on a bearish side retracement. The immediate support is going to be around 1658, 1654, 1648 and 1641, and resistance are 1662, 1667, 1675. We have the higher time frame resistance level of 1680 and support level of 1647. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.